So hello everyone, it's Naval from DevQuest. I think it's been around 2 weeks that we haven't posted anything. Yeah, it's kind of a more of a hassle week. So now let's deep dive into our today's topic. So for today's topic we have Lambda and API Gateway. So let's what's basically Lambda? So like Lambda is like a serverless cloud infrastructure. So basically like it's like a small server runs for a small amount of time, like approximately 15 minutes or something. So like if you have any activity, your Lambda will initially launch a server with every resources you need, and when the task is finished, it will just destroy all the resources that is provided. So it's basically cost efficient service provided by Amazon, and basically 10 million requests for a Lambda is free. So you can also try doing it. So here you can see that we have like four lambdas for our project. So like that is get services like for getting the data, for posting the data from client side to the server side, and update API and update lambda services for updating the products present in our database. So and this is Alexa function in order to control how Alexa VUI connects to our talk to our whole database and other APIs and Lambda. So let's see our first API. You can find all this thing in our database. You can find all this thing, everything, each and every code, each and every part in our database sources. So here you can see like we important several types of files and several packages like request or JSON, and that launch request query in order to launch like when we tell something else to store. So it's this function will catch up, can handle catch or exception if some exception will happen in order to save the intent and how everything. Well, you can find each and everything in our GitHub. So let's basically go to the main part of this Lambda services. So basically, first is a post API Lambda services. So API is also connected. So the Lambda service is also connected through an API gateway. So API gateway is generally like a tunnel. It's like it's connect client side to the server side, and it's also help us to transfer data from client side to the server side. It's just like a tunneling thing, like for sending one thing from one place to another place or vice versa. So you can also see there like it's very simple code. Like we importing some packages. We are using Mongo client because in order to talk to the database we need a Mongo client. Here you can see that we have something known as it's a URL which is provided us by the MongoDB database, which we have seen in the earlier video. Then this basically like client get database in order to know what our database is. So basically our database is Alexa. We have created in the earlier video, and we have table known and skill, and we are just posting the item along with the location, and using all this thing we are and using all this thing we are just posting data into a database. If everything in a each and everything in our database, and this is basically a lambda handler in order to handle the body, everything, event, each and everything you can see. So basically we have created three lambda services here. Like for the get, it's for get also very simple. You import few packages, and write the same type of code using the same Mongo link, Mongo drive link, Alexa table name. In order to find the item, you just you will just post the item name in a VUI, and it's using the API gateways to this lambda, and then lambda will find the data, find the item present in a database. If it's present, it will show you the location. If not, it's going to show you false. And in the same way update lambda works. So for the update lambda, we are using each and everything same link, same packages. Just we are updating the location of the item here. So like we will send items and item location. Then we will find the item in the database using like table dot find list, using converted list, and then find a length in each and everything, because like we have need to find like if there is any data present there or not. If no data is present, it will return false. If data is present, then it will just change the location of the item presently database. And let's now go to the API gateway part of our today's topic. So for the API gateway, we have basically created a one like it's basically a one name of the API. So basically, it's a REST API, it's not a representation. It's a REST API. REST API, and the REST API we have current different type of versions. So like get, for post we have like update and post. So using the gateway API gateway, we are just connect connecting our UI to the Lambda, and then in the Lambda we have link for our MongoDB database, and we can we can connect or talk which client side and server side using the MongoDB API link. Thank you. So guys, that's it for today's video, and our final and coming video is going to be uploaded in the next week. In that video, we're going to show you the demo of this project, how all this thing going to work. Me and Yash are both going to present the video demoing about the project. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Thank you.